Here I am in Cura. Let's open this STL file I've just got from Tinkercad. Not watertight, okay? And it says show X-ray view. I'll show you X-ray view. I mean, what does X-ray view in this case demonstrate? To be honest, I don't know what you're looking for. Okay, so it's not watertight. So let's exit out of Cura and in MeshMixer. So here's MeshMixer. Let's import that file for this one here. Then I'm going to do Control A. That selects them all. See how it highlights it. Now, depending on your model, it might take a bit of time for this to load and to actually select all, like I'm showing you here. Then I'm going to go to Analyze, Inspector, and we've got Auto Repair All here. I think these like lines on here are indicating where it thinks there's bad or not very good stuff in the print. See all those sort of stuff there. Let's maximize this screen a bit. It's a bit better, isn't it? Yeah. So it's highlighting these. Let's do repair all, auto repair. It's still showing that one a bit. But one advantage with MeshMixer, I'm going to say done. I'm going to say export. Put that directly over the top of that one. I'm going to do Control A again. Going to go to Edit and Discard. Let's load in the same model. So import. So Control A to highlight. Analyze. Inspector. And click on it. Let's do auto repair all. Looks a bit rough here. Look at this edge here. I think that is just the look. Export. Go over the top. I thought I might get I've got rid of that like triangle shape there. Yeah, possibly. Let's get it in Cura again. Same file, but it's been repaired by MeshMixer. If it will load, that is. And there it loads. Let's look at this. That's an oil hole there. This is part of model diesel engine starter. Okay, that's what this is, just a sort of main body part. Doesn't look too bad. Let me have a look at something I want to see yet. Okay, and obviously we can slice and view the model, but that's stopped that error. Now what I want to do is actually go into Tinkercad. Tinkercad. Let's create a new design. Don't have to in this case. But some Tinkercad can be funny about importing. They don't like anything over 25 meg. Or will it do it? Yeah, it's going to do it. It'll tell straight away, because so almost as soon as you click on the model, if there's a problem with it, it's going to come back with a warning. So if you export in Tinkercad, then try and load it back into Tinkercad, or especially if you've repaired the model using some of the other repair software I'll show you down below. It can make the file quite a bit bigger, and that can cause issues with it wanting to be loaded into Tinkercad. And there's the model there. Do a bit sharper corner on that bottom edge, I think. Should I modify the model? I know this looks a bit rough. There's just like lots of lines that have been modifying it. I am looking for testers of this model diesel engine, by the way. I do not have a model diesel engine, and I don't want to be paying out money for one, to be honest with you. Yes, you can get a model diesel engine quite cheap, but then you need a test stand, you need something to clamp that test stand to, and you need fuel, piping, you know. There's other expenses on top of just buying a model diesel engine. Okay, yes, so that's loaded in there. Okay, no